My name's Daniel Herzberg. I'm a mechanical engineer with an aerospace training. I'm a SOLIDWORKS user group leader, and I've designed everything from robots to medical devices to consumer products. My SOLIDWORKS is a great place to find information on everything you need to know about SOLIDWORKS. If you're looking for the solution to any kind of problem or trying to learn about new features, my SOLIDWORKS is a great help.
My name is Kyle Padelford. I studied mechanical engineering in college. I work as a software development engineer, supporting the CAD users, engineers, and designers at my company. We've used my SOLIDWORKS quite a lot for in-house training of our engineers and designers, getting them up to speed with SOLIDWORKS. The quality of the training content on mysolidworks.com is very good, very helpful. If you're a designer or engineer, mySOLIDWORKS can help you. It's all up there on mySOLIDWORKS.
Recently, I had to complete a project that I knew the routing package would be a great help with, but I didn't really know a lot about routing. I went on mySOLIDWORKS and searched for it, and they suggested a learning path which got me up to speed on all the topics I needed just for that project. Before mySOLIDWORKS, I probably would have used YouTube or the SOLIDWORKS help documentation to try to find information on a whole new tool that I needed to learn.
In 2016 is pretty impressive, where you can search through different CAD models or blogs or training content, where you can type in a word such as a simulation and it'll open up a new browser tab with all your simulation results on mysolidworks.com. Very useful, it can save you a lot of time.
So mySOLIDWORKS allows you to get online product trials of SOLIDWORKS streaming in a browser. I was able to try it on an iPad, and it worked really well and really quickly. I was really surprised by how well SOLIDWORKS responded on a touch device. I actually tried to sort of stress it and use large assemblies and rendering to see how it performed. I was able to rotate, view, create models, and it was really responsive and instantaneous, and it wasn't limited by the hardware it was on. mySOLIDWORKS allows me to find solutions to problems and answers to questions much more quickly, which is more time I can spend designing. I definitely recommend mySOLIDWORKS for anyone who uses SOLIDWORKS today.